All right, folks. So I am showing you guys how to register for the stock market game. Now I'm using one of the students in the class right now. So Serenity, from my first period class, you will be signed up and logged in to your stock market project. You're welcome. So I'm going to use your information to get this thing going so that everyone else can see how to work this. So let me start from the very beginning. Of course, we're going to go www.mcjvs2.org. We're going to log in to Moodle. We are going to select Economics January, May. And then we have in front of us the Economics Moodle page, right? So you'll see only 1 and 2. We're going to go to 1, or just scroll down. And you're going to see Thursday, January 7th, 2021, stock market registration, spring 2021. So this is where you're going to go. You don't need to do anything else. Just click on the link. It'll take you where you need to go. It should be a pop-up that comes up on your screen, just like that. Okay? So now, none of this information is in there. We're going to register this. So the username, I'm going to use all your school user information. That way, it's consistent across the board, and you're not trying to figure out all sorts of other stuff, right? So let's go username, okay? And then I will put in the password, confirm that password. Are you an instructor? No, you are not. Are you a student? Yes. It's going to ask a couple different things. Your date of birth. Let's see if I have that. There it is. So put your date of birth in. Sorry. That's the day. 3, the month. And the year you were born. Good. Okay. Select country. USA is at the top. So yes, it's alphabetical, but USA is where it was created, so they put USA at the top. So select USA. Your email address. That is optional, but for the sake of making sure we're consistent, I'm going to put in your school email address right here. Okay, that way if anything comes to the Gmail account at school, you can get it, or if you have to reset anything, it goes there as well. First name, let's go ahead and just copy and paste that. Let's make sure I have it in there correctly. So, Serenity. And paste the last name right there. Okay. Do you currently have a brokerage account? Let's just go with a no for that. If you do not currently have a brokerage account, do you plan on opening one the next year? I'd imagine it's a no. If it's yes, feel free. Agree to terms and conditions. I agree with that. We do not want to check that. Do not check that. Do not check that. And then, yes, you are not a robot. And then register. Okay. Now, if anything is wrong in here, so there are sorry areas in your form, 8 or more characters for your password. All right, so I will type that in. So you're learning on the go. Let's do it. Okay. If that fixes it. All the other stuff looks good. And register. Oh. I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay, well, we're all learning together. So I'm going to add in your birth year, the last 2 digits of your birth year. Or let's do this. Let's put an exclamation point. Let's just do that. So the end of your password, exclamation point. And I can come back and help those people out who are struggling with that. Okay, let's register and see if it works. Yes. All right, good. So that part worked. So Serenity, when you type your password in for this website, just add an exclamation point at the end. And there you are right there. So you have the MC S Courtright 22. So you're good. And then come down here. We're going to ignore all of this stuff. We don't need any of that. Okay. Matter of fact, once you get to here, we're not going to make a trade. We're just going to go right to the very, very top. And we're going to click on dashboard. Okay. And here is the key. I'm going to highlight this so you guys see it. Right there. Hollow Spring 2021. Hollow Spring 2021 in green. And if you see that, then you're registered in my game and everything is all set and you are good to go. Okay. Once you're done with this, you are done with registration. You can stop where you are. That's all we need to do for today. Right? Just to make sure you guys are in the game. So as much as we had that little glitch in there, that's okay. We all learned from that. And we'll go from there. Good. Hope this helps.